Mustang Coupe.
That is sold.
It's sold at 66. What paint color is it? Does it say on there?
It does not, because the original information has been removed.
Darn. It will come to me, or you guys will put it underneath this video.
We have a red 65 fastback over here.
Fastback?
The color red on that one is
automatic.
Rangoon red. Rangoon red. This is looks more like an orange.
I have shot 12 minutes of video straight. That's how many things that are interesting in this place. Again, the GT tailpipes. I love this car. This is the car that inspired me to do MustangMedic. I just think it's like the quintessential pony car. It is beautiful to this day, and it's more than 50 years ago this was designed. 50 years ago, they designed this. Can I open the door? Oh, I'll do it on the other side because the placard, the thing's hanging on it. Wow, I have never worked on a Mustang with that piece on it. Is that an aftermarket piece? That's a GT package. Is it? It's not a GT, is it? Is this a GT? I think this is a GT.
Badges on GT gas cap, but
Ford Mustang Fastback, so it would say GT if it was, but it's got the GT package on it, at least the lights. They're asking $35,900 for it. Stock number 1074, so you can just say, hey Ed, 1074, I want to buy it. But I'd never seen this before. I've never seen this piece on a Mustang. For those of you that know it, don't pick on me. I'm just gonna say it like it is, what I'm learning. And she's a beauty. And you probably want to see the interior. So I'll take you through to there. You can request a video and listen to it run and watch it drive. And they will do that for you if you're a serious buyer. You gotta be serious. You know what I mean? That's a fold down back seat. That's a fold down back seat. This is a nice setup on this car. And the speakers are obviously custom, but you must rock and roll. But I would love this car. But I'm gonna go modern. And even though Michael Wright, I know you're out in the Netherlands saying, no, Will, don't go modern, don't go modern. Well,